Are you ready to take your business to new heights? One powerful tool that can help you achieve success is social media. In today's digital age, social media platforms have become a hub for connecting with customers, promoting products or services, and building brand awareness. Whether you're a small startup or an established company, leveraging the power of social media can make all the difference in driving business growth. In this video, we will explore what social media is, the different types of platforms available, and how you can effectively utilize them to propel your business towards success. So grab your smartphone and get ready to unlock the potential of social media marketing. What is social media? Social media is a term that has become synonymous with our daily lives. It refers to online platforms and websites where people can create, share, and exchange information in the form of content such as text, images, videos, and links. These platforms enable users to connect with others across the globe, fostering virtual communities centered around common interests. The beauty of social media lies in its diversity. There are various types of social media platforms catering to different needs and preferences. For instance, Facebook allows users to connect with friends and family through personal profiles and news feeds. Twitter enables short bursts of communication through tweets limited to 280 characters. Instagram focuses on visual storytelling by sharing photos and videos. LinkedIn serves as a professional networking platform for job seekers and recruiters alike. What sets social media apart from traditional forms of communication is its interactive nature. Users have the ability to engage with content by liking, commenting on, or sharing posts created by others within their network or beyond it. In addition to facilitating personal connections, businesses have also recognized the immense potential of social media as a marketing tool. By creating compelling content that resonates with their target audience's interests and needs, companies can build brand awareness, generate leads, increase website traffic, boost sales conversions, enhance customer loyalty. The possibilities are endless. So whether you're an aspiring entrepreneur looking to launch your first venture or an established business aiming for growth, embracing social media is no longer an option but rather a necessity in today's digital landscape. The different types of social media. The world of social media is vast and ever expanding, offering businesses a multitude of platforms to connect with their target audience. Each type of social media has its own unique features and benefits that can be leveraged for business success. We have the behemoth known as Facebook. With over 2 billion monthly active users, this platform allows businesses to create pages, share content, engage with followers through comments and private messages, and even run targeted advertising campaigns. Next up is Twitter, the place where thoughts are condensed into 280 characters or less. This fast-paced platform is perfect for sharing quick updates, news articles, or engaging in real-time conversations with customers or industry influencers. Instagram takes center stage when it comes to visual storytelling. Businesses can showcase their products or services through captivating images and videos while utilizing strategic hashtags to reach wider audiences. LinkedIn caters specifically to professionals looking for networking opportunities or job prospects. Businesses can establish thought leadership by sharing industry-related articles and connecting with potential clients or partners. YouTube dominates the realm of video content by allowing businesses to upload tutorials, product demonstrations, vlogs, and more. With billions of hours watched daily on this platform alone, businesses have an incredible opportunity to tap into a highly engaged audience. Lastly but certainly not least is Pinterest, a virtual pinboard that allows users to discover new ideas and save them for later inspiration. By creating visually appealing boards filled with relevant content, businesses can drive traffic back to their websites while providing valuable information in an aesthetically pleasing way. These are just a few examples of the different types of social media available today. It's important for businesses to understand each platform's strengths and choose those that align best with their goals and target audience. By leveraging these platforms effectively, businesses can expand their reach, build brand awareness, engage directly with customers, drive website traffic, and ultimately achieve greater business success. So whether you're a small startup or an established corporation, there's no denying the power, the benefits of social media for businesses. Social media has become an integral part of our daily lives, and its impact on businesses cannot be overstated. It offers numerous benefits that can help businesses thrive in today's digital landscape. Social media provides a platform for businesses to connect with their target audience directly. Through platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, companies can engage with customers in real time and build strong relationships. This direct interaction allows for personalized customer service and the opportunity to address any concerns or questions promptly. Social media enables businesses to increase brand awareness and reach a wider audience. By creating compelling content that resonates with their target market, companies can generate significant exposure. The viral nature of social media means that one well-crafted post can be shared by thousands or even millions of users, increasing brand visibility exponentially. Moreover, social media offers valuable insights into consumer behavior and preferences through analytics tools. These tools provide data on user demographics, engagement levels, and content performance metrics. Armed with this information, businesses can refine their marketing strategies to better cater to their target audience's needs. Additionally, social media provides cost-effective advertising options compared to traditional marketing channels like print or TV advertisements. With precise targeting capabilities offered by platforms such as Facebook Ads Manager or LinkedIn Campaign Manager, businesses can ensure that their message reaches the right people at the right time without wasting resources on irrelevant audiences. Furthermore, lastly, in conclusion, by harnessing the power of social media effectively. Ultimately, how to use social media for business success. Social media has become an integral part of our daily lives, and businesses have recognized its potential to drive success. But how exactly can you leverage social media to benefit your business? First and foremost, it's crucial to understand your target audience and which social media platforms they are most active on. By identifying the platforms where your audience is present, you can focus your efforts there and maximize engagement. Once you've chosen the right platforms, it's essential to create a strong online presence that aligns with your brand identity. Consistency in messaging, visual content, and tone of voice will help build trust among your followers. Engagement is key when using social media for business success. Respond promptly to comments, messages, and mentions from customers or potential clients. Show them that their opinions matter by actively listening and addressing any concerns or queries they may have. Another effective strategy is creating valuable content that resonates with your target audience. This could include informative blog posts, visually appealing images or videos, interactive polls or quizzes, anything that captures attention and encourages sharing. Don't forget about the power of influencer marketing. Collaborating with influencers who have a substantial following in your industry can significantly amplify brand awareness and reach new audiences. Make use of analytics tools provided by each social media platform to track the performance of your campaigns. This data will help you identify what works best for your business so you can refine future strategies accordingly. By utilizing these tactics effectively on social media platforms, businesses can increase brand visibility, engage with their target audience directly, drive website traffic, generate leads, sales conversions, ultimately leading to overall business growth. Best practices for social media marketing. Creating a successful social media marketing strategy requires more than just posting random content and hoping for the best. To truly leverage social media for business success, it's important to follow some best practices that can help you maximize your reach and engagement. It's crucial to identify your target audience and choose the right platforms to focus on. Understanding where your audience spends their time online will allow you to tailor your content specifically for those platforms, ensuring maximum visibility and impact. Consistency is key when it comes to social media marketing. Regularly posting high-quality content will keep your brand at the forefront of users' minds, while also demonstrating credibility and establishing trust with your audience. Engagement is another vital aspect of successful social media marketing. It's not enough to simply broadcast messages. You need to actively engage with followers by responding to comments, asking questions, and initiating conversations. This creates a sense of community around your brand and fosters deeper connections with your audience. Visuals play a significant role in capturing attention on social media platforms. Incorporating eye-catching images or videos into your posts can significantly increase engagement rates by grabbing users' attention as they scroll through their feeds. In addition, leveraging user-generated content, UGC, can be highly effective in building trust and authenticity for your brand. Encouraging customers or followers to share their experiences using or wearing products can create a buzz around your brand while also providing valuable social proof. Tracking and analyzing metrics are essential components of any successful social media marketing strategy. By regularly monitoring analytics such as reach, engagement rates, click-through rates, and conversions, you'll gain insights into what tactics are working well and which ones may need adjustment. By following these best practices for social media marketing consistently over time while staying up to date with industry trends and changes in algorithms across different platforms ultimately leads to increased visibility, better customer relationships, and overall business growth. Conclusion. Social media has become an essential tool for businesses to thrive in today's digital world. By leveraging the power of social platforms, companies can connect with their target audience, build brand awareness, drive website traffic, and ultimately achieve business success. In this article, we have explored what social media is and different types of social platforms available. We have also discussed the numerous benefits that social media offers to businesses. From increased visibility and customer engagement to improved brand loyalty and lead generation, these advantages cannot be ignored. To effectively use social media for business success, it is crucial to follow some best practices. First and foremost, it's important to identify your target audience and select the most suitable social platforms where they are active. Consistency is key when posting content on these channels. Maintaining a regular schedule will help keep your followers engaged. Engaging with your audience through comments, likes, shares, or direct messages can go a long way in building relationships and fostering customer loyalty. Additionally, creating valuable content that resonates with your target market will position you as an industry expert while attracting more potential customers. Keeping up with the latest trends in social media marketing is vital too. New features are continuously being introduced across various platforms such as Instagram Reels or Facebook Shops. Staying informed about these updates can give you a competitive edge. Finally, yet importantly, ensure tracking metrics like reach, engagement rates, or conversion rates so that you can analyze the effectiveness of your efforts on each platform. This will allow you to make data-driven decisions regarding future strategies. By following these guidelines and consistently adapting to changes in the dynamic landscape of social media marketing, you can leverage its power to boost your business success significantly. So start harnessing the potential of social media today.